Good day everyone, my name's Andre. Today we are here at Model Med International down in Cheltenham, in Bayside, Victoria, to talk about a new 25 kilowatt PV system that's been recently put up.
Hi, I'm Mike Logan. I'm the Managing Director of Model Med International. We've been in business for nearly 20 years. We export nearly every country in the world. Solar was a natural choice for us. People in buildings similar to us in this area said to us it was the biggest no-brainer they'd ever had as a business decision. I'm really pleased we put the solar in. One of the things I love is looking at the app, and it shows me how many tonnes of CO2 have not been emitted as a result of using solar power, and that pleases me. We're producing from about 6:30 in the morning through to about 6 or 7 at night. We use all sorts of equipment from high-tech to low-tech, and we're doing everything we can to continually conserve power, get our electricity bills down, reduce our emissions. I think we're about 95% self-sufficient on average, but most days we're putting power into the grid. We're gaining credit with the power company. So it's been a really good decision for us, and I am surprised how much power it's generated. I think maybe in just over a month, about 5.5 megawatts. When I wanted to put solar in, our electricians said to us, they knew of a company called Greenwood, they'd seen what they'd done, and they thought they were a good company. And that recommendation was good enough for me. Our experience with Greenwood was that it was very simple, a number of emails, everything was organised, there was an on-site inspection, everything went smoothly. I was really happy with it. We heard about the solar grant through the internet. It was dead simple. It really was. It couldn't have been easier. We just contacted Greenwood, told them what we wanted to do. They did the plan for us, and they handled the whole government subsidy program. Something we've been able to tell our distributors and customers is that we're produced by renewable power, and that has been well received. We're 90% export, so we have distributors all over the world, and it's something they like to hear, and we're proud that we can tell them that we're doing our bit.